Hi, are you looking to increase your listings and your ability to sell more homes to your buyers? Well, hi, my name is Richard Woodward. I'm Service First Mortgage, and I'm the Director of Specialty Lending for our company. And I teach realtors and loan officers on how to use renovation lending to take back their business from the we buy ugly houses and open door. I know you guys have heard of them, but those guys, in my opinion, are preying upon people that don't know any better, basically. They are people that may be in need of fast cash. They don't have the money to repair their house is in bad shape. They think this is the only way that they can sell their house. That's absolutely not true. You can make more money, you can help them sell their house for more money, and you can take back your business from open door and we buy ugly houses. You can do that with renovation lending. With renovation lending, you can list any house in any condition, even with a broken foundation, and list that house available for FHA and conventional financing. Now what that does is that opens the door to 454% more people that could qualify to buy a house rather than paying cash. So if you're tired of dealing with cash offers from investors that just want to lowball you and nitpick you, or if you're a home seller and you'd like to maximize the amount of sale that you could make on your house, even if your home is in bad condition, then listing your house as ready for renovation is the best way to go about doing that. And I can show you how. All you just need to do is just give me a call and we'll talk about the specifics. But essentially, you're going to list your house in the MLS with a special coding on it that says this home qualifies for special renovation programs. And what that does is that gets more people curious about your home and gives you the ability to list it FHA and conventional financing. So if you want to talk a little more about this strategy, or you'd love to sit in on a CE class, I teach this as a CE class, or if you'd just like to have a one-on-one, give me a call today and we'll talk about how we can help you sell more houses and help more people buy their dream homes and customize it to suit their needs. Thanks so much. My phone number is 214-945-1066. Again, 214-945-1066. Please subscribe to my channels and please forward this to anyone that you know that might need it. I appreciate that very much. Have a great day.